Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow web 2.0 backlink from GoDaddy website. Okay, you heard right. Now today we can going to create a web 2.0 backlink from GoDaddy, and this site can give you a do follow backlink, okay, and the instant approval. So you can see this is a GoDaddy website, and I have recently published our article, our web 2.0 backlink on the GoDaddy. So you can see this is our backlink what we have created recently. So this is a live landing page URL, and this is all about this. So now we can, in this video I will show you the process how you guys will create. So simply there is a 2 to 3 option. So either I can provide this URL. So following this URL you can navigate directly on this interface, and either you can also have another option. So simply you guys can type on the Google SERP GoDaddy SITES, and you can press enter button, and after that you can scroll 1 to 3 depth, and you can see this is option 2. You can see this is a website, a GoDaddy and the website builder, create a free website in a minute. So you guys can following this, and also you can create your backlink, okay. And after that you can click on the start for free button, and there is a 3 option you can create with Facebook, Google, or the using email ID. So there you guys can fill your email address, and you guys can choose your username. Username is DML training, and after that DML training is already used because where I am creating, so that's why I used. Okay, so before I started, what we can do, we can show something about this website. So according to HREF, the domain rating is 94, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 93, and the spam score is only 2%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 2.2 million traffic right now, and the mostly traffic from USA, UK, Canada, India, and the Australia. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then you guys can create your backlink on this side, and you guys can increase traffic, authority, and the brand building from there now. Okay, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so please, it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so now we can start. So simply this is so there I can use something different, DML training 01. And after that you guys can add your password, fill your password, then you can click on the create account button, and you can click on the again the send verification code, and this site will send you a verification OTP. So I received a verification email, so there is a pass OTP, so you guys can fill in this box, and you can click on the verify code button. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Once you guys can complete this thing, then after that this is can navigate on this interface. So there you guys can create choose any of option. So start with a basic website. There after that you can click on the continue and the answer a few questions. So select this, and you can click on the continue. There you guys can select your category. So suppose that my category is digital marketing. Let me see if is this available. Marketing, I guess available. Marketing consultant, and after that you guys can select your category, and you can click on the continue button, and there you guys can add your website name. So website name is DML training, and after that you can click on the continue button, and there you guys can add a short description about your company. So let me copy the content from my websites, because right now I haven't a fresh content, so that's how only for the video creation process purpose I'm using this copied content, and after that you can click on the continue button. But your case, you guys can create a fresh content, informative, then after that you guys will create your backlink on this site. This is a best practice. So once you guys can complete these things, then after that you can choose these options if are required for you, and after that you can click on the continue to my site. So you will see we have created, and from there you guys can start optimizing your website. So this is a logo. If you wanting to, you can add a hyperlink either, and also DML training, and there you guys can add optimize your details. So this is fetched these details throughout your website, so what we are creating, and from there unlock your digital marketing potential. So there we can add this, and this is your all the details. So you guys will optimize all the details. So if you're wanting to change any text, any heading, any images, so you guys will simply click on this any element, and you guys are able to change all the things. So if you're wanting to change image, from there you guys will upload or replace your images. There is a multiple option to you can select, either add image, and you can upload from your desktop. So there is a same option by there is a same WordPress option, WordPress features. So you guys will start optimizing your all the details. So according to your business, according to your details, you guys will add your all the details. And if you're wanting to add any section, so simply you guys can see there is a plus button, and you can click on this and you will add your section. So whatever you want, there is a multiple option to add a blog or newsletter, videos or anything, image gallery, and the social links. So there is a multiple option. You guys can choose your template. Choosing the template, you guys will create a responsive web 2.0 backlink on this site. And if you're wanting to add any hyperlink, any respective keyword, so simply you guys can select your keyword, and there is a link button. You can add your website URL. So simply I can go to collect yeah, so there I can add my website URL on this keyword, and you can see there is a multiple option. You can select in the page section. In the page section you can select a website URL, and there you guys can add your website URL, and you can click on the OK button. Okay, so now we have added our website URL, and if you wanting to add any button or anything, so suppose that from there you can add learn more, so you can add your website URL. There we can add our website URL. Okay, so suppose that backlink strategy, and after that I have added these things. So using these element, these option, you guys will optimize your all the details. Okay, so if you're wanting to add a social link, so simply you can click this section, and from there you guys will start adding your all social details. So for the social details, I have a Facebook, so let me add it over there. So I can add a Facebook URL, and I can go to add my YouTube. There is a YouTube option, and the Instagram I can go to add my Instagram page. Where is this? Yeah, so there is Instagram, and after that I can go to add my LinkedIn page. So there is a LinkedIn. So using these section, these elements, these options, you guys will add your social details, and after that you can click on the done button. And once you guys can complete these things, so according to your requirement, you guys will optimize your web 2.0 backlinks or the web 2.0 options or your business details on this web 2.0. So once you guys can complete these things, what you guys can do, so simply you guys can see there is a top of the menu section, there is a publish button. You can click over there, and within the second your website it should be going to live. Okay, so you can see this is our website landing page URL, and I can show you. And once you guys can click on the view site button, and you will see this is your web 2.0 landing page URL. And I will show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So this is a backlink, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow. So you will see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral with contextual, your targeted keyword. So today we have created a very high quality do follow web 2.0 backlink on this site, and how you guys will upload your logo. So you can cross this, and you will see there is an option to simply click on the dashboard, and from there you can see there is a add logo button. You will simply upload your website logo. So in this website there is a multiple option. So while you guys are creating a web 2.0 backlink, you guys will explore your all the details. So there is a multiple option, domain, website, or anything. And okay, so in the next video I will show you how you guys will create how you guys will publish your article on this site. Okay, so this is the process for the backlinking on this site on the GoDaddy. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.